The dentist encountered a strange problem when examining the patient. Although the patient's teeth looked very healthy, the patient appeared to be in extreme pain. The doctor stood up to carefully examine the x-rays, but couldn't find any problems. Seeing the patient suffering unbearable pain, the doctor had no choice but to prescribe some painkillers and send the patient home to rest for a few days. But after the patient left, the doctor discovered something disturbing. He heard sounds coming from the sink, and when he reached out to grab something, he found countless parasites crawling all over the filter. The doctor, disgusted, quickly threw them in the trash. But this reminded him, because that patient had just used the sink. He hurriedly reviewed the patient's x-rays again, zooming in further. This time he discovered something terrifying. The patient's tooth roots were infested with parasites. The doctor had practiced medicine for many years, but had never encountered anything like this. He ran to the library to search through references, finally finding documentation about this type of worm. It turned out to be a tooth parasite, not only highly contagious, but also able to invade the human brain. The doctor realized the severity of the situation and promptly reported it to his supervisor. But the supervisor didn't take it seriously at all, saying it was just an ordinary parasite. Yet the doctor became increasingly anxious. He returned to the library trying to find treatment methods when he suddenly received a call from a colleague. The previous patient had returned. His colleague told him to come to the hospital immediately. This time the patient's condition was more serious. Concerned about the parasite's contagiousness, he reminded the nurse to add an extra layer of protection, but the nurse treated it as a minor procedure and told him to get to work quickly. The doctor reluctantly added another layer of protection just as he began the surgery. What happened next would make him regret it for the rest of his life.